MacBook Air 2015. When I bought it, it was broken Wi-Fi. You can see here, Wi-Fi, no hardware install. What happened is, when they took out the Wi-Fi and the hard drive, they broken the wire. Okay, now you can see. Let me get the light on. There you go. See, the two wire is completely broken, the connection. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back. By soldering it. And maybe that's going to work without cutting too much money to do a repair or replacement the LCD. And this may be the easy way. Oop, it's the wrong one. Need to get the right one. Oop, that's another wrong one. Wow. Hopefully this is the right one. Okay. By the way, here's the tool. That's it. Called it solder iron. Okay. And that's the solder iron right here. That I'm going to solder them together. Before I'm solder, I'm going to put a little bit of flux on each side to make sure they make a good connection. Okay, and now let's turn the solder on. All right, let me find a clip that I can hold it down. Okay, this is the solder. And this is the solder tip. Let's move a little over here. Okay. Let's see it. Okay, and this one. Whoop. Okay, now let's see how it's done. Turn it back around. Turn it on. Okay, we got everything done. Now time to test it. Turn it on. And now you see the light come on, Apple logo come on, and hard drive been reading. It's been load OS. Okay, and then now let's see how is Wi-Fi coming out. Good. Okay, you see right here. That's cool. And it's automatically locked into Wi-Fi because my OS has been cloned. And the clone is already set up, connect to my home Wi-Fi. Now we can go, let's see, Safari. Boom, there you go, Yahoo New. Okay, let's see how is the market today. Oh, it's not that bad. Or negative, positive. Ooh, the oil is coming up big time. No wonder. See, Apple, it's good stuff. It's easy to use. Easy. And the main thing is very quality. Okay. Now we go back to this. And now let's go ahead and close. And then shut down. And then that's it. Hopefully this video can help people save good money and easy work. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscriptions and share.